In this video, we will demonstrate how to migrate a cell KB using mmigrate utility in TrueSight Infrastructure Management. KB migration can be done either before upgrade or post-upgrade. During upgrade installation, there is a prompt to ask you if you have migrated KB or not. By default, it's selected No. If using this option, you can run mmigrate utility after the installation. Otherwise, you have to run mmigrate before upgrade, and in the prompt window, select Yes, then input the path of the KB which has been migrated here. Note, the path needs to cover server etc cell name structure. To do this, we need to log on to TSIM server and try to stop the TSIM server first. We will use pwc stop command for stopping all the processes. After the TSIM server stopped, we will go back to the etc folder and modify the cell name to .org. Now let's go back to the command line and execute the mmigrate utility. We will use -ap option here because currently we are migrating the PN cell. If you are migrating a remote cell, for example a SIM cell on IS side, then you can use -as. If a BAM cell, then use -ae. Let's start this command. It's successful. In the background window, you can see here the new folder for the cell has been created successfully. Now we need to recompile the cells KB. We are using mccomp-n cell name command for recompile the cells KB. After cell KB compile, we will start the TSIM server using pwc start command. Now TSIM server has been up. This is how to migrate the cell KB. Thanks for watching.